Alright guys, so I am here in Madrid. I am staying at this hotel room. Look at this place. This is crazy. I have a living room. I am about to be going to meet up with my friend Najim and Sal and Mustafa. I haven't met Mustafa yet, but I'm sure we'll get along. He was bringing a camera. I'm used to the camera, stuff like that. My friends are coming. I'm about to scare them. Watch this. Yo! Oh! We get multiple rooms here in Madrid.
Nice.
Same room.
Same room, just fucking hot.
Except he's got a couple. Let's see it. Oh wait, that didn't work.
Let's see if you got the dirt. Oh,
I mean,
I got some green.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the mall.
He's got a tree.
Right there?
No, I don't know.
And another tree. And another tree.
Another tree. Fuck it.
All right, let's steal all of his.
Trees at?
Hey, now this is in my room, so let's check out and steal all of this shit.
Touch that. Don't touch that.
God damn it!
Let's see what you got, bro. Let's see what.
All right, first place in Madrid. What do you think?
I think it sucks. It doesn't compare to America, honestly.
What do you think, Sal?
I like it. What do you think?
So we travel halfway across the world to get something we have in America. Sounds good. We got Popeyes. All right, so we're here in the hotel after going to the mall. 2020.
Music, dog. I'm gonna feel really good tonight. I think it's fun.
Say what you wanna say, I'm going back.
Woo!
Yo, fucking Gary Brackett. If I got a fucking dime sack, then you know I'm about to sack it. I don't give a fuck, baby, because I'm rocking on that green. Every time I step up in the movie, baby, it's a scene. I'm an actor with my ex like a factor, moving shit like a tractor. I don't really give a fuck because I'm Gene Bay. When I do my thing, they relay right back to the money, right back to the money. Hey, now I'm in California where the beach gon' shine, shit is so sunny. Hey, shout out to Machine Gun Kelly. Hey, I need that food in my belly. Hey, I don't really give a fuck cause you know I'm a Joe like Kelly. Hey, shout out Kelly Joe. Yeah, back up on the low, back I'm a pro. I don't really give a fuck cause you know me, baby. No, I don't move slow, I don't really sip lean. Adam Sandler, baby, I'm a mean machine. Mean machine, that's calamine. I don't give a fuck, I need dopamine up in my brain, let it scream. Do my thing while I'm on the scene, cause I never gave a fuck about a fucking spleen. And I break her back, let's just do my thing.
So we're here in the middle of somewhere. We got my boy Najim. Yo. Sal right here.
New Year's
2020.
2020.
Yes, sir.
This year's about to be a vibe.
It's a vibe, baby.
And my boy Arnie with the chaser too. Yeah. My boy Arnie, cheers, bro. I'm like a lion, young boy, I'm in my prime. See, I don't really look at the clock, even though I know it's my time. Even though, yeah, I'm gon' rhyme. Hey, never gave a fuck about slime. Hey, every time I'm in the building, I do this shit like I climb. Hey, rock climb on a fucking mountain. My account is still counting. I don't really give a fuck, cause that bitch is on my dick every day and she bouncing. I am scouting like a motherfucking recruiter. Never really give a fuck, you heard. I'm like Hugh Hefner, but you know me, I don't never lose her, baby.
Winner in this fucking dinner like the ribs and the splinter. Hey. He eating dinner. winter, up in the summer with his Hummer in his Jeep, looking like a fucking Hummer, cause we cruising on the streets, dropping beats, say skeet, I'm the best up in the peak, with the cocktail in my hand, because I'm doing it for my peeps, cause I get it while I got it, every day up in the TV, and I'm gonna get off in that bitch, you better fucking believe me, you say account, I got overdrafted account, so I can't say that, but I'm still gonna bounce, I don't give a fuck cause I never smoke an ounce, but if I see a motherfucker give him the face, I'm gonna go stop.
We're at the mall now. It's day 2 here in Madrid, and my knee is messed up from last night. I don't even know what happened. Somebody stole my phone. He lost his wallet. It was a mess, but it was a lot of fun. Oh, bro, this is probably the most comfortable chair.
Dopamine. It's dope.
Got the dopamine going on with the cannon. Shotty low, you're shotty low.
Shotty low. Gang, gang, gang. Bro.
So we got a little photo shoot going on here in the hotel.
And then one more just like this for the holidays.